Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expeditions. This video is going to introduce you to OpenLedger and its testnet as a way of positioning yourself for the OpenLedger airdrop. It's still very early and I've underrated this, but it's time to take a look. The narrative is very strong. It's actually an L1, a blockchain for AI. That is an evolutionary narrative. The niche of Web3 AI is evolutionary. There is so much need for blockchains that are specific for, decentralized AI. Let's put it like that. With OpenLedger, even during testnet, you can contribute a node that powers the blockchain and earn in turn. If you have an Android phone, you can get started. There's also a Chrome extension. It's not available yet for Windows, Mac, and iOS. So if you have an Android, you have an edge. Okay, so OpenLedger is the next generation blockchain network for AI, providing decentralized economic infrastructure to source, fine-tune, and launch payable AI models. We will not dive into the technicality of OpenLedger in the course of this video. We will do that in subsequent videos. Okay, so if you click on products, it says OpenLedger AI Studio, not your model, not your intelligence, own, govern, and monetize AI on OpenLedger. So this improves the narrative of OpenLedger all the more and intimates you of why it's needed. Basically, with centralized AI, there's monopoly all over again. You basically relinquish your data to these, LLMs, train them, and get nothing in return. It's monetized by a few. Now, you don't have privacy as well. All these things are going to be fixed by OpenLedger. You'll be able to have your own model, train it, govern it, monetize it. As powerful as can be. Okay, so again, technicalities, we'll look at technicalities in another video. Here it says OpenLoRa deploy thousands of models on a single GPU, 96% increase in performance threshold, supports just-in-time adapter changes. Now this is a strong narrative as well. I've participated in contributing nodes to training AI, and the requirement is just too high for the end user. The minimum requirement is an RTX 4090 that may cost like 200 or 100,000. $2,000 plus. So they're basically attempting to reduce that requirement, allowing you to use a single GPU to run thousands of models while maintaining performance. That's a strong narrative. Now in the next video, I'll be highlighting where you can interact with OpenLoRa. I don't know yet because I don't have an Android phone. Okay, so explore testnet. This is where you get started. You will need to log in with your email address and you are brought here. So sign up on OpenLedger and explore specialized data nets designed for AI contribution, work on AI-driven tasks, validate data and accumulate points based on accuracy and complexity, track your rank and stay ahead in the competition. In the next video, I'll talk about roles. So you may want to join the Discord. I don't know if it's late, but here it says early community members will get an exclusive chance to secure community airdrops and rewards from our ecosystem model builders. So there are airdrops also from their ecosystem. Okay, so now on the dashboard, I'm just starting, by the way. Checking in alone will earn you points. You maintain a streak and per day the number of points increases. Running a node, I believe, will earn you points. So you download nodes. You have the option of doing so on Android or the Chrome extension at the moment. iOS and Windows coming later. So this may be the most proficient way of earning points. Now for missions, there are not many missions yet. Onboarding missions. You can only follow the X account for 10 points, join the Discord for 10 points, and then check in. Okay, now if we go back to dashboard and let's click here. So it says you're not whitelisted user, so access to the AI models is currently unavailable. I have to find out how to get whitelisted. So it's likely that your interactions with these models will earn you points as well. This is an introductory video, so the next video will carry more information. You will see that it's currently in Epoch 2. I believe it's still early. Okay, so you can get started. I'll have my invite link in the description, but there's still something more you can do. There's this portal as well. I've not figured out how to interact with this portal. When you click on join Discord, it just takes you to the Discord. So there's going to be likely some, syncing stuff you will need to do on the Discord to be able to access this page. I believe this page will then begin to track your Discord interactions and all that. I'll uncover that in the next video. Now, another thing you want to do is this. On board on Kaito. So I'm going to put my link for Kaito in the description with your X account if you haven't, and start talking about OpenLedger on X. Also interact. Don't fade, interactions. I think it based on my experiment, it performs better than posts, depending on your Twitter account, if you have followership and all that, and, helps you have more reach. So you can start replying on top users who cover the subject of OpenLedger, which you can find here, interacting with them. Once they react to your comment and all that, you're likely going to earn, contribute to the mind share. So it's not only about earning yaps. Contributing to the mind share, having a place on the leaderboard will earn you an airdrop. I believe they will have an airdrop if you go to reward station. Besides the air. Okay, so this is declared about the airdrop: 2 million OPN to the top 200 yappers at the end of 6 months. Okay, so start talking about OpenLedger. They've been paying out, by the way. There have been some rewards already. I'll uncover that in another video. I've seen people earning already from this, not OPN, like USDC rewards or something like that. So stay tuned for subsequent videos that will explain the how to be positioned for the airdrop all the more. For now, let's end the video here. There will be a bunch of airdrop opportunities in the description. Check them out. I'll highlight them there. But as importantly, go to airdropc.com and submit your email here. Very soon, I will have 100 airdrops, each with its own publication tutorial, sent out to email subscribers via email. It will be a publication featuring all these 100 airdrops. Contact me using this contact form, this Telegram, this Twitter. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome. Take action.